What's up, everybody? My name is Darren Wong, and I represent the Kinjas. And welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class, where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. Today's movement we're going to be working on is another pattern variation of the running man. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now and apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so today we will be using the running man, so if you don't know how to do that, be sure to check out my previous tutorial I did on it. So again, today we will be playing with the SSD method. So if you don't know what that is, it's kind of a pattern that everybody kind of uses, especially in the old school grooves, where we did a single, and we did double on one side. So for this one, our glitch is actually going to be our feet coming out and then coming back in. So just go over this feet coming out part. From here, let's just start with my right leg in front of my left. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate my feet, almost like I'm splitting down the middle, so I don't want to just step my right out or step my left out. I'm gonna jump out to the side, and just to give it a little bit of style, I want to have my toes face in, which will make your heels come out. So I'm gonna jump out, and then come back to normal. So again, heels coming out, or you can think about your toes coming in. So here, 6, 7, 8, out, and then back in. So let's try it on the same thing on the other feet. So same thing, I'm splitting my body, not just stepping out one way or the other, but splitting both legs, and my toes are coming in, or you can think about your heels coming out. So out, and I come back down. So one more time, so 6, 7, 8, this goes out, and then I come back down. So from here, I want to add that on the third and fourth, in between the third and the fourth movement, right? So first one is gonna be our normal running man. So I'll go right and left. And from here, this is where I'm gonna add it in. So I'm gonna go right, and since our right's in front, I'm gonna come up on my toes, out, and I come right back to where I am. So one more time, so 6, 7, right leg, this goes right and left and right, hopping out and down. So one more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, this goes right and left and right, out, in. So notice with that jump out, I am moving my body up because that will be my and count. And again, I'm trying to keep my constant groove on my whole count. So down and down and down, up, down. Try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going down and down and down, up, down. Okay, so let's try the same thing on our left leg. So from here, we'll start with our right leg in front so we can continue. So starting on my left leg, this was 6, 7, 8, and left and right, and add it here, up, down. So one more time. So 6, 7, 8, and left and right and left, out, down. So let's try that again. I'll face the back and we'll try to combine both of them. Starting with the right. So 6, 7, 8. This right, left, right, up, down, and left, right, left, up, down. All right, so let's try doing that for 2 full 8 counts. So let's turn the side first, and then we'll turn to the back. So here we go. So 5, 6, starting with our right first 8 count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 again. And right, left, right, out, and left, right, left, out. And good. Let's try that again. I'll face it back. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, same thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Alright, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now by hitting that subscription button and also hitting the notification bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. All right, so key takeaways from today's lesson. Again, I'm trying to keep that constant groove going on my whole count, so I am coming up when we do this toe out and then coming back in. So just remember we're bouncing 1, 2, 3, 4, basically the whole time. Second thing is we're making sure, just to add a little bit of style, we are pointing our toes in versus just jumping out and keeping our feet facing the front. So I am pointing them in toward each other and then coming right back in. 1, this kind of gets you, I guess, a little bit more steezy style with it, and 2, it kind of makes your body force itself up, which is good for our groove. All right, so let me know down in the comments below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.